Hi guys, welcome to this short video. I'm going to be sharing with you my market insights for the rest of the week. Just in case you don't know, right? 2 weeks ago, I uploaded my market insights at the start of the week, and I talk about there will be start of a selling pressure 2 weeks ago, and 2 weeks ago it was a down week, right? It was an going down, right, for the whole of last week. And I talk about my market insights at the start of last week as well, and it was uploaded to this YouTube channel. And as of now, all right, we know that last week is a down week as well. So a lot of people have been asking me, is market is going to rebound from here on, or is the selling going to continue for the rest of this week, right? So I'll share my market insights in this very video, what I expect to happen for the rest of this week, right? So stay tuned, right? And I will, as usual, I also do my market weekly wrap up for last week trades done by me. All right, you get to see what are the trades that I did, right? So over here, quickly, financial disclaimer: everything that I share in this video is all for educational purposes. You need to do your own due diligence. Pause this video if you need to read through it, right? I'm going to continue from here. Also follow me on social media, especially my YouTube channel, right? Do subscribe, like the video that you're watching right now, or even share this video to those out there so that they can know my market insights and benefit from it, right? You should know that since 2 weeks ago, if you follow my market insights video and take action according to it, you will have made some money, right? Okay, so over here, also on Facebook and Telegram, you can follow me to keep in touch with me, right? Okay, so very quickly, let me just go to what are the trades done last week, right? Basically, last week I was in a slight loss, right? About $700 over. But since the start of the week, I have been profitable, right? Okay, so let's take a look at what are the trades done for last week on this account, right, that you see here, right? As you can see, 2nd of January, I started with 0% return, right? 0% return, and I'm right now at 8.43% return, even though last 1 or 2 weeks was not performing so well, right? But I'm still up by 8%, is still not bad, right? Okay, but let's go to the dollar and cents and really look at the statements and see what are the things that I have done and what are the trades that I have done as well, right? Okay, so I'm going to go for over here a search custom range, and I'm going to search for last week 13 to 17, right? 13 to 17 for last week of results. So I'm going to run the report, go to net asset value. You can see over here, this is like $578 of profits, right? $578 of profits from this account, right? $578.42, right? Exactly as it is, right? 500. So what are the trades that I done, right? Okay, so over here you can see over here I've done trades on AA, ABT, Adobe, all on options, right? All on options, and I do hold those in white color are those that I still hold in position, right? Those in yellow color, if I'm not wrong, are all those that I have already closed the trade, right? I have already closed the trade. So yeah, that should be the case. But overall, these are the trades that I've done so far for last week, right? Okay, and overall it made me like $500 over, like what we saw just now, right? Over here, of course, plus the acute interest and all those things, it would be 578, right? Okay, so I'm going to take the whole number here and put it into over here, which you can see here. Now there's another account that I have that lost some money, right? Some money, which I trade more actively, but most of the time day trading kind of thing, right? So this account that you just saw just now, a few moments ago, are more passive, where I more swing trade kind of trading, right? So let's go into this account, and I'm going to do like go to custom, and I'm going to like go to the same period last week, right, and run this report on this account. So it will be slightly different. There you go. I roughly lost $1,307, right, and 56 cents. So you can see over here the number is there. So if you sum it up, right, overall I lost about $729, right? So this account, normally what I'll do is I'll do a lot of crude oil, S&P index futures, crude oil futures as well, gold futures, and overall I lost lah, right? Okay. Yeah, these are more very short term day, most of the time day trading kind of thing, right? Okay, wasn't doing so well last week, right? Aiming to do better, right? Okay, so with that said, let's take a look at the market insights for this week, right? Selling pressure is going to continue from last week, right? And maybe even stronger selling pressure for the whole of the week, right? And you need to take advantage of maybe just one day rebound throughout the week. That one day rebound may not even happen, right? So find a good setup, get in there. I do see like the market will continue to be having selling pressure this couple of weeks, right? Okay, so just very quickly I want to show you why do I see it this way. All right, okay. The reason why this is the case is because over here you can see there's a sell signal for my profit signal, right? Okay, my profit signal is programmed with my unique strategy called the trade to win strategy, which I program it into this profit signal. And whenever you trigger a sell, right, it means the market is bearish, right? The red triangle is a sell signal, right? Green triangle is a buy signal, right? So over here it triggered last week, right? It triggered last week. What does it mean? It means that market is going to start to be pretty bearish based on the weekly time frame over here, because over on your left, right, this is the weekly time frame. What it means is that it is going to like have some selling pressure in the next 1 week to maybe even 4 to 5 weeks, right? Okay, but that remains to be seen. I'll do watch my market insights next week when I upload it. Then you can have a better idea of what is going to happen, right? Okay, but pretty much last week when I talk about the market is how the market is going to move, I was pretty spot on. Why I say this is because over here you can say that I said this is Monday last week, right? I say that first 2 days, roughly first half of the day, first half of the week, there will be a rebound, and it did, right, over here. And let me zoom in a little bit more, right? Like this is February, right? This is February, and it did 13th of February lah, Monday lah, right? So Tuesday also rebounded a little bit, then started to turn, right? And for the rest of the week it was down, right? This is exactly what I said in my market insights last week. So this week, what is going to happen, right? Like right now, we are already Tuesday, because Monday was a public holiday. Tuesday was down a lot, quite a bit lah, right? Compared with recent fluctuation, quite a bit, right? Quite a lot compared with the recent fluctuation, like I say. So today, which is Wednesday, there could be a slight rebound, right? Slight rebound, but I would say for the rest of this week, right, the kind of selling that we are going to see for this week, right, it's going to be like a little bit more stronger than last 2 weeks, right? Why? Mainly because based on my strategy, it already triggered a sell. That means it is having the momentum to go down already, right? It's already confirmation that there will be momentum to go down. And whenever there's confirmation, it typically starts to move slightly faster, right? Like what you see here, right? There's a trigger here to buy, and the momentum started to go, right? And over here also same thing, trigger and the momentum started, right? And over here a sell and the momentum started. I would say this could be one of them, right? I will update you guys again next week or the week after through my market insights. But right now, my take is that this week will have a more. My take is that there will be stronger selling pressure for the whole week. So how do you benefit from it, right? You can actually benefit from this by selling off the SPY, right? Okay, the easiest way is to sell off the SPY and profit from this while the S&P is going down, right? Okay, so SPY is a S&P so-called exchange traded funds, right? Exchange traded funds, S&P exchange traded funds. So if the S&P index is going to go down, this SPY is going to go down as well, right? Okay, so you can do that, right? Okay, that is one of the easiest way. Another easier way is to short sell the index, right? Because if you sell high and you buy back lower, you will still make money, right? Okay, so the index is starting to go down. I would say like just find a way to trade the index, or if you don't want to, you prefer stocks. ETF is one of them, right? Okay, ETF can be considered as a stock to trade down, right? Okay, so through your own broker, if you are already trading, you know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, for those who don't know, you can actually go in Google SPY and find out more about this, or even find out from your brokerage or broker, right? Okay, so yeah. So overall, just to wrap up, selling pressure may continue this week, right? Likely that is happening already. May even have stronger selling pressure for the whole week compared with the last 2 weeks, right? Okay, and there may be a short-term one-day rebound. That one-day rebound, don't think that it is going to rebound all the way. I seriously don't think so. The more probability is that the rebound will allow us to get in for it to go down even more, right? So it's an opportunity for us to get in to actually sell the market down, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and last again, remember to subscribe to this YouTube video, like the video, and also share this market insights video to the rest of your friends so that they can benefit from the rest of the week, right? Okay, and also on Facebook and Telegram for some very short-term updates from me. If I see anything on the markets, you can actually go through that, right? Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.